Okay, here we are looking at rats, RATS. It's 1,000 rats on USDT, whatever. Like I said, we don't know what these coins are. We're just trading these charts here. All right, we have the CC from this impulsive down to the high to the low. 618 resistance at 18306. Moving on to EXO charts. We have this previous month value area high coming in at 199. Um, and I'm thinking that looking at our negative point of controls here. So we have this naked point of control. We have one. We have another daily, and this is right at our level here. It's 11918. Um, I'm thinking it's probably going to take that out actually. So I'm thinking our. Let's take a look at actually. Um, let's see. Let's take a look at this. So let's take a look at the weekly. 2-0. So we have that pull that coincides with more confluences for us, I believe. 21426. 20901. Value area low right here. That'd be the next weekly. 20823. It's gonna be a previous week. Wow. If I can find it. Previous week Val there. This is at 21426. Hmm. Previous month value area high. Sitting at 19851. Let's really hone in on this right quick. I'm gonna lower my tick size on my TPO. Perfect. We're zoomed in as possible. So looking actually like it's 20034. That's our previous month value area high. At 618 for confluence as well. We need to zoom. Let's lower the tick size on here as well. So once it gets through here, next over, it's going to be this area right here, this value area, this weekly value area low, coming in at 20846. Daily wise, once it gets to this value area high here, let's just look over to our left. Lower our tick size in here as well. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay, yeah. So we have this value area high with this previous day all the way over here. Pretty much at our level as well. That's at 19856. That's a previous. It's a PD by area high. Okay. We also have this whole range right here. By area low. That's 6.6. A lot of local influences there. We do need to add in this other confluence here. The DMPOC. Do we add this in? 21426. So for this position here, I'm going to get as much as I can out of it and keep this a 3-to-1 risk reward. So yeah, we're going to keep this stop loss at 15%. If you watch my previous videos, you'll know how we do this with our position size. I do want to capture this from there. Um, Other levels of resistance above. So, good bit of resistance overhead. Daily naked point of control. Previous week very low. Previous month very high. Previous day very high. It's our CC from this impulsive, and we have this long term value area low right here for this previous range. Giving ourselves, and we're probably overdoing our stop loss percentage, but I'd rather be on the winning side of a trade and not have a crazy wake up and get LG'd, liquidity grabbed, and stay in this. You know, if we were to put this here per se, yeah, better risk reward, but just trying to win these trades here, and I personally think that that's solid. You know, best case scenario, of course, though, we just comes here, falls. Second best case scenario, breaks through this, hits the 6-6, falls, and our last line of defense is going to be this DNPOC, where this, you know. So we're going to have to see. But that's going to be rats. It's just, you know, not financial advice, just trading probabilities here, you know. So let's see what happens.